This is a potential smoothie shop operation that has an attachment unlike no other smoothie shop where we can actually build Medicaid by bringing in developmental disabled trainees to train for all week or multiple days out of the week, however much we like. The ratio of staff is one non-developmental disabled person to 10 developmental disabled persons. And it's a great opportunity. You have about 2 to 3 churches less than, I want to say, 50 feet away, with large organizations that meet up on Sunday all the time. Roughly between, I would say, $5,000 in remaining repairs. Over $35,000 has already been invested in the property. You also have a freezer. The blending, it does need blenders, but they're fairly cheap. Only need about 1 or 2 blenders. You can even start with one if you like. It will take about 2 months to 3 months before we can start billing Medicaid for the trainees. And you also have the option, if you just want to work the smoothie side of the operation and you do not want to deal with any of the developmental disabled trainees, then you don't have to at all. However, we are preferably looking for investors that want to help the developmental disabled group of individuals to help bring them some form of impactfulness or growth in the everyday community and society. Also, there's a school that is right around the corner from it. So during school days, which is most of the year, there is tons of traffic on that road. Tons of traffic at the school. It has games, so you can create a smoothie theme that is based around the games and everything for that particular smoothie shop. And it's just a great opportunity. You will never probably find another opportunity where a smoothie shop can potentially build Medicaid. And look at the traffic. Look at it. Look at the traffic. There's one of the churches. If you're looking at the video, okay, it's across the road. And we also know a lot of some of the most influential members at that church already, so we can kind of help connect the dots in that manner. However, if you do take on this potential opportunity, then you will be required to operate the location, whether it is for you or someone else. Thank you.